So if we want to now run depreciation on our fixed assets, I had said earlier that Xero does your calculation for you. So we are now in our fixed assets, and I want to leave it as this, where I've just got the two registered, I've got the one under the draft. And if I want to now run depreciation for my financial year, I literally just have to click on this button that says run depreciation, which I'm going to do. And then Xero is going to ask you, so from what period do you want to run your depreciation for? So I am going to do mine. So you can do depreciation on a monthly basis if you want. But for our purposes, I'm actually just going to do it to the 31st of December. And you can see now it's telling me, okay, this is my depreciation that I will be processing on vehicles and my depreciation that I'll be processing on computers. And I'm going to click on confirm, right? And when I do that, you'll see if I had to go to registered, I now have a book value, which is different to my purchase price. So you can see the purchase price of the vehicle was 650,000 and the book value is 609,000 because it's processed the depreciation for me. So if I now have to show you the profit and loss statement, if we go to that under reporting, and I'm just going to run the standard profit and loss statement from Xero. And I'm going to choose my year end for this financial year. And you will see now I've got depreciation expense of 43,095 Rand and 75 cents. So those days of having to calculate depreciation manually and do a journal entry in your accounting records is actually no longer required. And that's how simple it is for you to actually run your depreciation.